Why is becoming a learning organization important, and why is everyone talking about it? In today's advanced digital age, during a global pandemic, the way we work has drastically changed. And even though change is inevitable, nobody anticipated the type of change that's occurred over the last 2 years or so. Every day there is rapid technological change. We're in the fourth industrial revolution. And in regard to the workplace, one thing we need to ask ourselves is how are we adapting and flexing to meet this change? The answer is learning. Learning can bridge the gap between creativity and problem solving. Learning can help close the skills gap that's caused by these powerful external changes. And even though there's a sense of normalcy emerging, people are going back to the office, there are still so many problems teams face in the workplace that require innovative solutions involving technology. Enable Education believes that becoming a learning organization is the path forward to successfully future-proofing your company. We all had to learn to adapt to remote work. We needed to discover new ways of working remotely, and this meant learning new skills with and without technology. We had to innovate and solve complex problems that kept our companies productive. But the most successful companies became learning organizations. This video series will showcase Peter Senge 5 disciplines of the learning organization. We'll talk about Google's learning organization strategy, we'll look at industry insights, and we'll talk about Enable's methodology for becoming a learning organization.